We are gonna look at my earnings from last year for New Year's Eve and that whole week. I'm at LAX. I'm waiting. I just missed a $99 ride. I'm a little bummed. No, I'm just kidding. Let me show you what's going on over here. Let's go over here and look at last year. And basically, while we're looking at last year, you can kind of see my earnings for the whole year, right? Because it's gonna take me a little bit of time to get there. But you can kind of see exactly what I do in my style of driving. And when you see low income, it's because something happened. I wasn't driving, or I got deactivated, like right there, deactivated. Right here, deactivated. But I can consistently make, I think, $1,500. Okay, so last year for New Year's Eve, according to what Uber is showing right here, guys, this is not bad. What is it showing? If you look over here, let me get my notes, and we're gonna zoom in here. I made $1,872 on that week, and let's go and take a further dive. I'm gonna hide my face because I need this screenshot. Yeah, we're gonna take this screenshot, and we're making a video about this day. All right, and obviously if Uber picks up and gives me an offer, I'm gonna take it. Okay, there it is. So this is last year. We'll just start with New Year's Eve because that's what this video is about. Okay, so I took a screenshot so I have it. So let's start over here. Saturday. Basically, I made $604. I was active for, let's just say 7 hours. Online for 12, that's fine. 12 trips, that's very good. Okay, those are the numbers, and you know the date is right here, and it's a Saturday, December 31st. Those are my numbers. Right now I'm going to show you the breakdown, but again, I got to take a screenshot because I need a thumbnail. Okay, now let's look at the breakdown. Breakdown is showing what? Net fare 363. That's normal. I can make that almost on the holidays. I don't know where these promotions came from. $170 in promotions. I don't even know if there's any promotions for this year. Actually, I should take a look at that. Tips is great. So $70 in tips. That's good to know. Now let's look at the breakdown for January and my route and everything. So this is 9 p.m. Oh no, that's January 1st. Hang on, ignore that. It will start right there's December 1st, right? There it is, December 31st. Okay, so basically one thing we can note is I stopped around 2:16 because the money started getting low, and looks like there's a cancellation over here. Okay, so I stopped around 2 in the morning. I think I could have gone till 4, but let's start from the beginning. We're gonna take it and understand this together, and what route I drove, where I drove, in order to figure this stuff out. Okay, I was in San Diego last year. Oh, maybe I should go to San Diego this year. You know what? I might go back to San Diego. Let's see. Okay, my first passenger is at 3:51 in the afternoon. So I did an evening shift. I got a $10 tip. Plus there was a surge. Total, we're looking at, as you can see right here, $54 on my first ride at around 4 o'clock. And I took the person from San Diego to Carlsbad. Fair enough. Let's look at the next one. Then I waited a little bit, and from Carlsbad, I got a ride back to La Jolla. Fair enough. It's an Uber XL. $34, no tip, no surge, no problem. So that basically means if the last ride took about an hour, maybe I waited a little bit and I got that passenger. Okay, that's 2. Let's look at the third ride I got. Okay, third passenger is at San Diego Airport, and I dropped him off to El Cajon at 7:17 p.m. $41, and I got a tip, and it's nice. It was a short ride for 19 miles. So 19 miles, 20 miles to get paid $41. That's good. That's 2-to-1 ratio. Okay, that's 3. Fourth one is I went from El Cajon to India Street, San Diego, which is back to downtown San Diego towards the airport at 8:02, which is pretty quick. And again, 15 miles for $30, a 2-to-1 ratio, plus there was a surge and there was a $5 tip. So San Diego did me good last year. Then, oh, there you go. Back at the airport at 8:30, very quick, got a ride to Escondido from the San Diego airport, $59, $20 tip. And again, 2-to-1 ratio, 32 miles, made around $60, 2-to-1 ratio, very good. Then I took a small ride from Escondido to Escondido. I'm not sure why I did that. Oh, there you go. It was 1 mile. So for 1 mile, around 10 o'clock, it was surging a little bit, and a tip, I made $11. That's not bad in 7 minutes. I think that's pretty good. Maybe that's why I did it. Okay, then at 10 o'clock, I got from Escondido to Escondido. Again, short trip, $21 and a $10 tip. That's awesome. And there was a surge going on. Good, good. So hopefully this helps you guys out. Okay, here's a cancellation at 10:30. But I still got paid $360. I can't do anything about cancellations. Then $44, San Marcos. Okay, so we're in San Marcos to San Diego at 11 o'clock. There was a surge, no tip, but you know, it's not 2-to-1 ratio, but $44, that's fair. Then a cancellation. Maybe I canceled, maybe they canceled, I'm not sure. We're gonna keep going. Then $34. Oh, here you go. So this is the first one after midnight. Okay, at 12:30. So notice I wait a little bit. I don't start at midnight. I start like maybe 15-20 minutes later, let the surge build up. There you go. The surge was $23 plus a tip and 4.5 miles, 12 minutes for $34. So these are the kind of rides you want on New Year's Eve. Okay, then at 12:50, another surge, but I took a longer ride for 22 miles, 40 minutes at 12:50. And right there, between these two rides, I almost made $100. After that, I did another one at 150, because the last one took almost 40 minutes, which makes sense. Another surge, more money. $19, 4 miles. And I think that's it, right? After that, it got, cancellation. And then I did a small one at 2:16, but notice there's no more surge. So by 2:16 in the morning, the surge finished. So essentially for New Year's, that's it, guys. This is a short 10-minute video that's basically showing you what I did. What is this? 46? I got another one. No, that's 2:30 p.m. But oh, that's January 1st. Sorry, guys. So we're gonna go back. December. Okay, up to here we're good. Okay, so there you have it. I'm gonna go ahead and post this video for you to let you know how much I made last year by driving in San Diego. And I think I might go back to San Diego tomorrow. Shoot. And spend the night. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'll figure it out. And we're gonna end this video. Hopefully it's kind of dark. Hey, turn the. There you go. Hopefully you guys learned something, and you know, it's possible to make $600 on New Year's Eve. And it turns out that I drove in San Diego, not in Los Angeles. I have to think now, because I'm in LA right now. Should I go to San Diego or should I stay here? I don't know. I guess you guys will find out. Tomorrow's New Year's Eve. You will find out. God bless you. Have a beautiful night.